Greetings from Drake Memorial Library. This video will show you how to find out if the library has the full text of an item when you have the citation. Imagine you're reading an article and want to find the full text of something the author cited. For example, this article. First, you'll need to identify the parts of the citation. For an article, this is the author or authors, the date, the article title, the journal title, volume, issue, page numbers, and DOI or digital object identifier. For a book, you would need the author, title, publisher, and date of publication. After you've identified the relevant parts of the citation, start at the library homepage, brockport.edu/library. Find the link that says Article Lookup by Citation. This page has a lot of fields, and that may appear overwhelming. You only need to fill in the pieces you have. First, select the format. This page defaults to article, but you can change it if you need to find a book. If the source you're looking for has a DOI, you can locate the DOI field on the lookup form and paste or type in the number starting with 10 dot. If you have a DOI, you can skip all the other fields. If you do not have a DOI, you need to fill out as many of the fields as you can. Then press Submit. In this example, we do have the full text. Under View Online, you will see links to the full text. If we don't have the full text, you'll be prompted to sign in. You will see the link to place a request through Interlibrary Loan. For articles, we'll email you the PDF. For books, we'll have the physical item shipped from another library to ours. If you're stuck, you can give us a call, send a text, or chat with us online through our Ask a Librarian service. From the library homepage, click the Ask a Librarian button.